Hey everyone, before I get to this week's cars, just a reminder, we're going to be auctioning off live a bunch of the American Excellence cars Saturday, October 1st. Please join me, otherwise everyone's going to be getting cars for next to nothing, so let's get some people bidding. Check the description. I'll be posting a link to Whatnot. That is where all the American Excellence cars will be. So first up, this is an Otto Honda Civic Type R. This is known as a Euro Civic. We did not get this body style. We got kind of the quirky 04, 06 generation hatchback. This is, never came to this country. And the fact that it's right-hand drive is a bit of a hint. We also didn't get the Type R this generation. We got an SI. Type R is always higher performing, higher red line, a little bit more power. This would have had probably some derivative of the K20 naturally aspirated 4-cylinder that revs to about 8,000. Probably about 200, 240 horsepower, something like that is a good guess off the top of my head. Typical Otto, pretty good quality. Sadly, we do not have open mesh. The interior, from what you can make out, the two-tone with the red inserts. This is, I think, pretty sure is an exclusive. No one else makes this car in 1-18. Again, closed mesh. Pretty neat piece, though. I think I pre-ordered it, which means I got it at retail of about 59 euros, or about $75 landed at that price. I'm not mad at it. Car number 894 to 2000. Here's a look at the incredibly boring white package that you get with every Otto. Very exciting. Then we've got a little bit of old-fashioned opening diecast, courtesy of a Chinese dealership model. I say that because it's not really branded. This is what you would buy at the dealership when you purchase the one-to-one car. This is the current Toyota Rav4. Not exactly a good-looking vehicle in my opinion. This would have a 2.5 liter naturally aspirated 4. You could get it in a hybrid or as the Prime, which is a plug-in hybrid. About 203 horsepower. You do get a lot of neat features with these dealership models. You've got the folding mirrors, which is pretty neat. You have a sliding moonroof, again, a pretty neat feature. They love giving you an opening gas cap, which is almost impossible to open without a crevice tool, but there we go. The paint quality on these, not great. You'll find little imperfections, or kind of see how rough the flat black is painted. You kind of see some exposed white. So, not the greatest. Again, look at all the exposed white there. Not the greatest, but not easily found in this country. I mean, you can get it on Alibaba or eBay. A friend picked this up for me because he was buying other cars from a similar Alibaba retailer. So you can spend $130, $150 on this. Landed from eBay. I paid $100, which I don't know if it's worth it. I'm light on Toyotas. You do have simulated carpeting. If you can see in there, a little bit of carpeting. Interior details decent. You have an opening trunk, moving parcel shelf. When you ever see one of these little pull tags, that's their way of saying an exposed spare tire, which I don't even know if you could really see it very well, but yeah, there's a little bit of a spare tire there. I mean, you do get a lot of detail, which in a world of resin is nice to see. Engine-wise, it's not going to be very exciting. If I can get it open. You got your big dog legs, which is typical for these. There's your mighty 4-cylinder. So that's that. Packaging. A little bit of a window box. Kind of an odd shape. A little narrow in terms of height. So doesn't really match the other boxes you might have. So that's it for this week. I am still plugging away, cleaning cars. You might be able to see some in the background image. Getting all the dust off of 1,000 cars has taken a while, so the annual full collection will be up soon, maybe another week, maybe 2 at the most, but I'm getting there. So that's it for this week. Everyone please like and subscribe, and have a good one.